So we got one more question which says that let f of x be a quadratic polynomial. Okay, f of x is a quadratic polynomial such that this plus this equals to 0. Okay, if one of the root of f of x plus f of x equals to 0 is 3. Okay, so one of the 0 is 0 and you have to find the other root. Okay, so look at this. In this question now, they don't provided us the quadratic equation. So what I'll do, I'll try to write down quadratic equation f of x, and in this they have provided one root, so I'll write quadratic equation in the form of factor. So can I write this thing as x minus alpha x minus beta? Okay, and to be precise I will take leading coefficient as a. Okay, now be super slow. So what was the condition? They have provided you 1 0 as 3. So I'll make beta as 3. So f of x now look like, here a cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so x minus alpha x minus 3. Now we are interested in finding alpha, so we'll take help of that one given part. Okay, so f of minus 1, so a times 1 minus alpha 1 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, a 2 minus alpha 2 minus 3 equals to 0. Now we can divide both side by a because a is non-zero number, so we can do that. It is minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 alpha and then minus 1, so minus 2 plus alpha equals to 0. So it is 3 alpha equals to 4. So alpha is 4 by 3. Therefore, the second root is 4 by 3. I hope this question is clear now.